Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about replace function, LPAD function, RPAD function. These are character manipulation function. Now let us start. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account, and this is my Snow side web UI. How to set up free trial account? I already prepared video on this. You can check from playlist. Hey viewer, before going forward, if you enjoyed this video content, consider for subscribing channel for more content like this, and consider for like this video would mean a lot to me. Thank you for your support. Now let's learn replacement function, which is character manipulation function. In Snowflake, the replacement function is used to replace the occurrence of a specified substring with another substring in a given string. Here is the syntax. We can write replacement function string, the original string you want to replace or perform the replacement, search string, which string you want to replace, and replacement string, by what string you want to replace with such string. Let's understand with example. For this example, I am using Snowflake sample data for our database and tpcds underscore sf10 tcl schema and use customer table. Okay, select star from customer table, limit it to 110. Let's use first name. Okay, and let's suppose I want to replace a with nothing. To use replacement function, first argument is mandatory. Let's suppose I want to replace with nothing. I don't use third argument. So let's execute this statement. What happened? Here a is replaced with nothing. Here a is replaced with nothing, means a is removed by using replacement function. Now let's use something like a third argument dash. Now a is replaced by dash. Here a is replaced by dash, and here in Lona a is replaced by dash. You can use more than one character or substring. Let's suppose if I want to replace vi, then we can use vi. And what we want to replace, let's suppose we want to replace with star, we can use star. Oh, remove comma. Now vi is replaced with star. Okay, where vi is present, let's filter vi string. So by filtering vi string, we use first name and like operator and simply type percentage vi percentage. Now it's give filter only vi letter. Here vi is replaced with star, here vi replaced with star. It must be consecutive vi, not iv. Okay, let's learn about LPAD and RPAD function. In Snowflake, the LPAD and RPAD function are used for left padding, and RPadding function are used for right padding string. These functions are useful when you want to ensure that string reach a specific length by adding character to its left or right side. Here is the syntax. String, input string or column, number of character, what do you want to take, and pad string like start dash. It is optional, by default single space. Let's understand by example. Here I am selecting first name using LPAD function to first name column and make it 10 character long by star. If less than 10 character, then it pad with star. Let's execute this statement. Here Belinda has 7 characters, so it's paired with 3 star. Here Gordon has 6 characters, so we add 4 star to left in same way as you see the result. Same way, if I execute this statement with R padding, then it's pad with right side to make it 10 character long. Okay. If I execute with this to make 6 character, here Melinda has the line has greater than 6 character, so it's truncate to 6 character. Here also it's truncate to 6 character. If less than 6 character, it's make 6 character long by putting 2 star by LPAD function, as you see the result. In same way we can use with RPAD. Here also if string greater than 6, then it's truncate to 6 character. Here as you see, it's if 6 character, then not truncated. If greater than 6, then it's truncated. Okay, to make it if it less than 6, then put here star. Let's use with static string. Here I am putting static string, and here you see all column put here the static string with LPAD and make it 20 character long. If I concatenate with last name, then you can see the result here. It's it's concatenate with last name and make it 20 character long. Okay. If I execute with this statement to pad 0 to left side, okay, to make it 10 character long. If I execute with c underscore cust key, now I want to make it 10 character long, 10 character long by putting 0 from this table, because it has some 5 character. Or run this query. Now we can make it 10 character long by taking LPAD function. That's all about LPAD and RPAD. Okay. Now let's recap. In this video we learn about replace function, LPAD function and RPAD function. One request viewer, if you enjoy this video content, please consider for like this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to more video like this, please hit that subscribe button. Have a nice day.